I believe that it works well. I have had shaved from a packet of 10 reeds, some of reeds a little, some more and some not at all. Also, Chinese saxophone and clarinet plastic reeds, costing less than €1 each, can easily be shaved by my tool. You may need to remove a lot of peel, as you see in photo. If a reed has a small crack, then we can repair it. This one, for example, here has a small slot here and it squeaks on my clarinet, but I can repair it as follows. I put it on my mouthpiece in such a way so that the part which has the crack to protrude, and with a pair of scissors I carved the reed like this one. Have a look. Now I'll try with this cheap €1 tool, just to shave a little by little. You can see the difference between the lengths of the two reeds. This one I have cut about ½ centimeter. Now let's try it to see what we have done. Excellent. You may need to remove a lot of peel, as you see in photo.